Hi, I'm Robert, one of the car audio editors here at Crutchfield, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about the installation gear you'll need when shopping for a new stereo or speakers for your car, and also a little bit about the benefits you'll get from shopping with Crutchfield. When it comes to a new car stereo, sometimes all you'll need is a simple faceplate and basic wiring harness. But in more modern vehicles, you're more likely to need a specialized interface and a vehicle-specific harness that allows all of the equipment to work together and work with your car. When you purchase your new car stereo from Crutchfield, we'll make sure you get exactly the right parts you need and let you know if you have any options. And, as a bonus, we'll give you a deep discount on these installation parts. Now, when it comes to car speakers, the situation is similar. You'll usually need wiring harness adapters so that you don't have to cut any wires in your car, and a lot of times you'll need mounting brackets to make sure the speakers fit securely in the doors or other locations. And in these cases, the installation gear is free with your speaker purchase. Our Crutchfield vehicle database contains information for tens of thousands of vehicles that we've researched over the years. And when you enter your vehicle information on our website, we can show you exactly which products will fit your vehicle and let you know which installation gear you need. We also will give you customized instructions specific to your vehicle to help you take out the old gear and put in the new gear. These customized instructions are made in-house here at Crutchfield. They contain lots of photos and step-by-step directions to walk you through the installation process. And if you have any questions or need help along the way, your Crutchfield purchase gives you access to our award-winning tech support team. With just a phone call, they'll walk you through the installation, help with any problems you have. They'll even help you adjust the sound settings, and that's for the life of the products. So if you have any questions about this or choosing the products, just contact our advisors. They're standing by and will be happy to help.